What is up, everybody? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm finally back. And in today's video, I'm giving my guy a high taper. So as you can see, I'm just setting in my bald lines. After I put my bald line in, I'm putting in my first guideline, and I'm using the wall seniors with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about half an inch to an inch. To get rid of that bottom line, I close the lever halfway and I go up to soften it up. And then I close the lever all the way and use my corners to flick out that bottom line. Here, I grab my number 1 guard all the way open, and I'm going up about another half an inch. Then I'll close the lever, and I'll try to attack that line that I just created. It won't get rid of it completely, but it should soften it up a little bit. Here, I have my half guard open all the way, and I'm using my corners to try to get rid of that line. You'll see that I also move the lever halfway and will close it eventually to try to get rid of that line completely. Here, I grab my 1.5 guard open, and I'm going up another half an inch. Here, I've closed in the lever, and I'm trying to get rid of that line that I just created. Here, I have my 1 guard open, and I'm just playing with the lever, using my corners, doing whatever it takes to get rid of that line that I still see. Here, I still see some lines, so I just went back with my half guard closed, and I'm playing with the lever, just doing some detail work, using only the corners. More detail work here, using only the corners with the lever all the way open. top bulk, going up about another ½ inch. I'm flicking out so it's not leaving such a harsh guideline. Here I went back with the 1.5 guard open, and I'm flicking out that top bulk that was left behind from the 2 closed. And here I'm using my thinning shears to try to thin up that hair that's still remaining. Here I grabbed my liners and I lined up that back taper. I usually wait to the end to do all the lineup, but I don't know, today I was just feeling different, so I decided to line it up right now. So with most of my tapers, I do the same exact steps for all 3 sides. So as you can see, I have the lever all the way open. I'm going up about ½ inch. Then I'll close it halfway to soften up that bottom line, and then flick out that bottom line with the lever all the way closed. 1 guard open, going up about another ½ inch. Here I've closed in the lever on the 1 guard just to soften up that line that I just created. I still see some bulk left over from that 1 closed, so I went with my ½ guard all the way open, and I'm using my corners to try to flick out that remaining bulk. Here I have the 1.5 guard open, going up about another ½ inch, then I'll close it to soften up that bottom line. Here I put the 2 guard on closed, and I'm flicking out that top bulk remaining. Here I'm just doing some detail work with the 1.5 guard. You'll also see that I go back with the 1 guard, the ½ guard, just with all my guards, just doing some detail work to perfect that blend. So since I use the same steps, I'm not going to be talking on this side, I'm just going to speed this side up. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty much done with the haircut. I'm just lining them up, and then you'll see that I used the straight razor on him. But that lineup came out really crispy. The client was happy with the high taper. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.